Do you want to know how you can log into your BNP Paribas Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BNP Paribas Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for BNP Paribas Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of Baroda BNP Paribas Mutual Funds. Now, to log into your account, go ahead and click Partner, or you can see Investor as well, and you can click Invest Now, and then you can be a part of BNP Paribas. You can see that this login portal opens up. Write down your user ID, your password, click Generate OTP, and OTP code will be sent to your email address. Write down the OTP here and then you can click Sign In and you can sign into your BNP Paribas Mutual account. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can log into your BNP Paribas account. First, you need to sign into your account. Go ahead and write down your user ID, your password, click Generate OTP. OTP will be sent to your email address. Write down the OTP here and click Sign In, and you can sign into your BNP Paribas Mutual Fund account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.